Car detailers, I know meta ads may seem a little bit frustrating, but in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a full walkthrough of how to make your first meta ads campaign. It is going to be a dynamic creative, so you can start testing right away. Here are my current car detailing client's results for the past month. He signed on with us about exactly 1 month ago today. He was able to get 106 leads for a $5 cost per lead. He spent about $590, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did in order to get such good results. But the average cost per lead for car detailing is around $4 to $7. So for your first campaign, you're definitely going to want to name it a testing campaign. And then you're going to scroll down, buying type auction, campaign objective leads. Then you're going to go down to the budget. And guys, car detailing is a super low ticket niche. So you guys can start off with $20 or even $15 and still see some pretty great results. Okay, now that we're in the ad set, obviously the ad set is also going to be a testing ad set. Set the conversion location to instant form. Add the Facebook page, agree to the terms and conditions, and make the performance goal maximize number of leads. And then we're going to scroll down. You'll be able to see here dynamic creative. Turn dynamic creative on just so you can test multiple images. Then just scroll down and then go to your selected audience. So for your selected audience, you can see here our location is set to about 27 miles out of Winnipeg, Manitoba. Seems like he's getting a lot of leads in that area. Our age ranges from 18 to 65 because honestly, anybody can get their car detailed. Anybody can get their windows tinted. Once you set all that up, you can pick whatever radius you want. Obviously, I recommend 27. But once you have all that set up, you're just going to want to click save. So anyways, after you finish doing the ad set, you're going to want to come over to the actual ad itself. Obviously, connect the Facebook page, the Instagram account, format it, single image or video, multi-advertiser ads. And then we'll just take a look at how many ads. So right now, there's only 7 out of 10 ads. And that's because 3 of the ads were performing really bad. And these 7 were still getting leads. So I just went ahead and turned the other 3 off so we could keep getting good results. I'll give you guys a quick look at what the images look like. So yeah, guys, just target services. Give some nice images. These are actually images I actually found online. And this is the ad that actually performed the best. People like seeing deals. They like seeing special offers for car detailing because it's very low ticket. It's very common. I'm going to scroll down here. Optimize creative for each person. You're going to have this on. And then for your primary text, we actually generated these with AI, but I actually did a lot of prompts in the AI to get the perfect ones. So as you can see, it says the actual place. We did some area targeting. It is a small city, so people obviously saw Winnipeg and they're like, oh, this is in my area. Let me sign up. But we did a lot of area targeting because it was working really well. And then down here, you just have a little package offer, It looks like we did 20% off a lot, and it really worked. Pretty easy to make these ads for car detailing, and it's pretty easy to test them as well. Because once an ad hits about $10, you can just turn it off, man. It's not important to have a $13, $14. You don't have to spend that much money. You can spend $5 and get a lead, and then they pay you a lot more in the job. And then if you guys do want to actually have a jobber like he has, we'll actually go on his jobber right now. And you can see that obviously he has his booking page right here. You can book with them. I think he got a couple bookings from the display link, which was awesome. And then we got 2 different call to actions: learn more and book now. And then for the instant form, so I've tried, obviously you can see here 4 different instant forms. My friend actually came up with the formula for the instant form, but name it whatever you want. More volume, optimized. Come over to intro, turn both of these off. And then for questions, you're just going to want to ask what type of vehicle do you drive? Simple 1-answer question. And then you can do another one. What detailing service are you interested in? And then we'll just answer both of those so you guys actually have all the information you need just to book in that job. So it's just those 2. And then you can come down here and this is what it says. Please provide your details. Reach your next steps. You guys can actually copy this if you want. The first name right here. Last name right here, phone number right here. That's all you need to book these guys in, man. Give them a call, use your sales techniques, tell them it's a good bang for their buck, and they're down to go. Privacy policy, just put whatever your business is in between these / privacy policy, HTTPS. Visit the privacy policy right there. And then you guys pause right here, copy the information on here, the headline, description. And then for the additional action, you're actually going to want it to say go to website, and then you have the jobber here again. So they actually have two chances to click on the jobber, or they can just send us the information. That's how I made the ad campaign for my current car detailing client. And now I'm going to show you guys how I kept their cost per lead so low. So we're going to do a bit of data analysis. Practically what we're doing is we're just letting it test, and as soon as an ad reaches too high of a CPL, we just honestly remove that ad from the dynamic creative by simply going like this. You go to the ad, and then you click X right here, then you click publish. You click the X and publish. That's all you have to do to remove an ad. Just monitor the ads for the whole month, and you'll be able to get a nice low cost per lead. And if the ads all flop, all you have to do is make some new images, because all that matters is actually the image testing. The one thing about a lot of you car detailers is you guys work extremely hard. You don't have a lot of time to set these ads up. You guys usually don't have a lot of time to actually monitor the ads yourself. So if you do want to learn more about how to have somebody like me run your ad account, go ahead and go to the bio and book a call with me. It's going to be a discovery call. I'll run you guys over exactly what we do for other clients right now to book them lots of jobs. But hey, thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and copy my exact campaign that got me over 100 leads for under a $5 cost per lead. And I want to say thanks again for your time.